that 6 months of Earth time is 1 day in the higher planets. Brahma, that's another thing. The heavenly planets. So they say, this is what they say, 6 months of our time is 1 day. So 4 months means 8 hours. So our 4 months is 8 hours. This is, in other words, the demigods aren't sleeping for 4 months of our time, in their time frame. It's just they're sleeping for 8 hours. Because usually they don't sleep, they party. And it's actually explained that this Chaturmasya, what happens is on Satyaloka, during this time, on Brahmaloka, that different rishis, they come and Brahma, he engages in Harikatha. He hears from different rishis during this time for 8 hours. He has like a saptaha, 8 hours, whatever. And he's not involved, he doesn't answer his telephone. He's not involved in any direct management. That's why all the higher planets, the higher demigods. Indra maybe some of the lower demigods, but on Tapaloka, Satyaloka, Swargaloka I can't say, but Tapaloka and Satyaloka, they all gathered. All the sages and rishis, they go to Brahmaloka for this time, 8 hours, and they meet and discuss Harikatha. And so therefore, and the other demigods, they kind of they may be engaged in Harikatha, or they just take it easy. It's like a vacation. That's why no auspicious functions are done during Chaturmasya.